In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new order in FxPro Edge. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to create a new order is pretty simple. There are quite a number of ways. In the first method, just go ahead and click on this plus icon, and then you can see we have an option for order entry. If you click on this, now your new order will be created. Here you can go ahead and add markets, limits, or even stop. You can go ahead and start placing your bids or even selling them. So you can make purchases and sales simply by just clicking on this, and you can also go ahead and add any of the instruments that you wish. In another method, you can also go down here, and if you click on this icon here, you can create a new order by just clicking on this. And from here, you can now also go ahead and select your instrument. From this, just select the one you wish, go ahead and choose the market, limit, or even stop. You can also go ahead and make a purchase or even make a sell here. So that's how you can make a new order in FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.